Welcome to Robyn on the Farm. Today I'm going to show you how I shape my dough into these beautiful loaves of bread.
I'm going to press out this dough. Okay, just simply press it out. You can roll it out if you want, but just kind of press it out. You want it to be about as long as your bread pan. Okay, so head down, fold it down to about the middle, and then press it out with your palms. Okay, and then pull in the sides. Press that out really good. Okay, and then pull it down. I can hear like the bubbles popping and things like that as I'm pressing this. Okay, and then I'm going to pull it down again. Can you hear that squeaking? Pull it down one more time to get that seal at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. So let me show you. This is my cast iron bread pan. Y'all know I love these things so much. Okay, so it's oiled up really good. Now I'm just gonna throw this loaf of dough in there. There we go. And I'm gonna let these rise for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then I'll bake it. But that is how I like to shape my loaves of bread. This is gonna make really good sandwich bread. This is my ultimate white sandwich bread. I will put a link in the description so you can watch the video on how I make this.
Here are our loaves of bread that we shaped fresh out of the oven. Don't those look good? I just buttered the tops. Oh, these look beautiful. Here they are out of the bread pans. Don't they look good? I say that is a pretty loaf of bread right there.